Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error wherein your camera face ID is not working. So from your settings, go to general and tap on the shutdown button so you can just slide that to power off. So we were going to reset or turn our device off, and hopefully this will solve the problem. But if not, let's go to step 2. We're in tapping on the software update, and if you see anything in here that needs to be updated, just like downloading or installing a new iOS, so please do so. Now if that option will not work, then you go to your face ID and passcode in your settings, enter your passcode, and then you have to make or to reset your face ID in here, and hopefully that will solve the problem that you are, or the error that you are having on your phone. Now, if not, the last option will be going to general and tapping on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset and reset all settings. So in this way, your device will be reset, and hopefully this will solve that issue that needs to be fixed. So if this is informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.